taking me, boy. Fish on here, guys. Most likely a catfish. Because catfish seem to be biting. Oh no, it's a perfect little bait here, salmon. Eat? He's bait dog. Something took half my clean bite, dog. Clean bite. A good sign, a good sign. Nosman, this catching a jammet, looking nice. It's pretty good bait, you know, guys. We have a line. Fresh now start to work there. Once the jammet come, ready to come after. Read with her?
He did.
You put it in the cooler?
Yeah.
Boy, that was stink about we fish, boy.
Boy, we don't have cutlass fish in it. Can't use it.
We cutlass fish is eat good, boy.
Yeah, I think it's good. It makes good already.
Fried cutlass fish is good on real good, dog.
Yeah, hey, that fish swimming, boy.
Fish on, fish on. What the hell is
No,
this?
you're real line, play. That's real line. Play. Probably a big cat. What did you do?
It's better not be no stingray, you know.
That fish real pulling, boy.
I think pulling both, you know.
So he feeling like a...
And he puts bad sign.
Yeah, boy, anytime you sit down. But he's swimming to the 5 islands.
Yeah, real line, though.
Like I tell me, I'm going to go for recording.
Did you red light on top one?
See if the back on. If the numbers going.
Yeah. 48. Yeah.
What the hell is this, boy?
You have a fish on.
Big fish, brother.
Come, Carl, bring up your line. Yes, that giant tangle.
Yeah, bring up your so when you come close to you. Real python, boy.
But your head shakes, boy. You shaking your hand?
Yeah.
Cobia.
Nah, stingray is solid, nah, that big long carriage.
Why? You stingray?
Boy.
They will take it,
Think is the whole salmon, I think, boy. Nice color one. Let's get it.
Let's wrap up that line, right?
Yeah, don't wrap it.
Bring him for you.
Yeah, don't drop it in water. Down there, foot. Nice. I don't think whoever this is good for this nuts.
Hmm?
All night we burn in the iron.
Sit down.
You really sit down yet, you know.
No, you come on. If you say a big cat or a shark or something.
I'm not sure.
You so?
Time for jacket speed up.
That could be a stingray, boy.
Jacket speed like February, March, I know.
Say Bismillah. No stingray. Wish is a big catfish.
Yeah. A big salmon.
Oh, head shakes fine. You pull up a line, eh?
Yeah, all my. It's gone back now.
Probably mine. I have one on your foot, the line.
See, I got it.
This is what you get in Sienna. No, boy.
Hold it.
Yeah, boy.
That thing. I don't think there's a thing, boy.
I don't know stingray, boy.
Look like it's a head shakes, boy.
A big fish.
Damn choppy. That's
Yeah, boy. I get some head shakes. Yeah.
He fall up, boy.
That's the only thing, boy. Because I'm feeling some head shakes. Could be a cat, boy.
Wow,
Wish.
they tak vale nem tu, you know. Nah, boy, apa lagi tak? Dah. Nah, boy.
Take it up.
Yeah, carry a line this. Just carry on from here.
Yeah, line is not a problem here. The only problem is if you swallow on it, chief.
Yeah, you there, no?
Yeah.
Put up on foot too, eh?
Yeah.
Why, huh?
Nah, why?
Yeah, but we are not cut over to some now.
Nah, boy, that could be a good fish for me.
That big red one.
That's a big red, brother.
We do one thing. That big red. Yeah, that big red, a big salmon, a big catfish.
Could be one of them monster salmons. Monster.
Can't be a big salmon pulling so hard, dog.
Sick, yeah, here, dog. This is that river cutting, right? You never get. Watch your money, anchor. Don't never parade it, don't stay down. The next day, anchor. Touch the anchor rope. Yeah, I know you're up on the anchor.
Yeah, dog.
Pull the anchor.
He on the anchor rope.
Yeah.
Yeah, boy. Feeling that line on your rope.
You get this side. Okay.
Yes, no. Put your rod through it. Now watch your rope from me. Alright. Now you sit down, boy. Now sit down.
How is that? That could be a big body.
That'd be a
What big is it big?
see that kind of head shake. If you fall up, could be a feel like a.
So see what it is at least, dog.
Could be best of it. I think for sure that's actually clean, eh? For sure, from my third way down is actually sea.
Sometimes.
Yeah. No, most of the time. So I don't fish it with everything. It'll be real clean.
Well, that was dry season too, eh?
Yeah. Just see from far at one time. So good. Inch by inch.
Normally these things just come up.
I ain't seen you go to running.
Stik in the back of it. Come on.
Yeah.
Look at it.
Stingray, boy.
That thing. Jeez.
Big friggin' stingray, boy.
That's a big one. No, we gotta cut one time.
Yeah, yeah. Once you
You wanna
grab,
get one video?
Bring him and send him money back.
No.
Mm-hmm.
watch your foot there. You ready?
Hey, the spine can go in the boat door. You know about we.
Charles, move over there.
You see the boat? Should I cut him right here?
The kind of still on this spot, then? Yes? Kind of on this spot still,
You might actually survey everything now.
So, I'll move in on time.
If it possible.
How's it on you?
What?
On the line now, sir?
Eh?
On the line now, sir?
No, that's all I want some more.
No, you tell me,
The
man.
bus it was attack. We know man.
Any break you on it?
Nah, this road can't break man. Ugly stick.
Michael, how big you do?
That's a big radar.
No line for you again, boy.
I just tried to run it.
That might be hitting down there and going to hurry.
Look, wherever you feel safe cutting, you cut it. Well done. Mama, first fish with this rod was a nice fight.